Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can change IP address without Wi-Fi. So if you want to see the IP address, you must need internet connection. Okay, the truth is you cannot see the IP address without Wi-Fi or mobile data or cellular data. You must be connected with the internet to see the IP address. Okay, so still if you want to see the IP address after connecting Wi-Fi, I'm gonna show you how. Go settings, then you can see the Wi-Fi, must connected the Wi-Fi, and then you will see the I button here beside the Wi-Fi name. Just click on this I button and scroll down, and you will find the whole address, Wi-Fi address, IP address, subnet mask, everything. Okay guys, so this is how you can see Wi-Fi IP address, but you cannot see the IP address without connecting cellular data, mobile data or Wi-Fi. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.